Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a working input device and the latest Fortnite update. Open settings and go straight to the controller or keyboard and mouse tab. Don't waste time in other menus. Once there, locate sprint settings and choose sprint by default if you want continuous running, or bind sprint to a convenient button like L3, left shift, or a mouse side button. This lets you activate sprint instantly while aiming to preserve mobility. Next, refine how sprint behaves. Decide hold versus toggle so you control energy and movement precisely. Change sensitivity and dead zones to avoid accidental sprints during build fights, and understand how aim assist or ADS affects your speed. ADS usually reduces sprint capability. Once done, jump into creative or a low-stakes match and practice start-stop sprinting while strafing and building. This trains muscle memory and shows how sprint interacts with stamina regen and weapon swap. Finish by saving settings and testing sprint across different loadouts and terrains. You want consistency between creative and battle royale. If sprint won't trigger, restart Fortnite, then check for conflicting binds, controller software overlays, or accessibility toggles that override inputs. If problems persist, reset bindings after you document your layout so you can restore it. And remember, most sprint issues are binding conflicts or needing a client restart, so try those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.